So, in this segment, or multiple segments, I don't know, I'll figure it out as I go, gonna start assembling the car, like just putting odds and ends back together, painting up little parts that still need to be touched up, and just a whole lot of little things that I can't really just say, hey, I'm doing this. As I'm assuming there'll be multiple videos, because really I don't want to have 20+ minute videos. So I'll try and break it up accordingly and have a better idea of what I'm covering when I edit it. So yeah, so let's get it put back together and look even more like a real car. So, the Beetle's now jacked up. The main reason for needing to do that was that to do the turn signals and the remainder of the wiring, it needed to be jacked up so I could work under there. Plus, I still need to finish bolting on the fenders after adding the rubber gasket, things like that. So it made a lot more sense just to jack it up and have the wheels off, because I still got to paint the wheels anyway. So I don't quite have a direction. I think what I'm going to do is start going through all the rubber pieces, start getting them sorted out where they're going to need to go on the body, maybe start lightly putting them in place, like things for the turn signals and brake lights, the gasket that goes here. That's probably where I'm going to start. As you can see, I've added the hood. Ended up doing that last night with the help of the wife and her kid, because it's kind of a pain in the ass to hold a hood and bolt it in. So yeah, let's get this stuff done. Small little update on another day. I'm getting ready to paint the wheels. Yeah. Yay. Gonna paint these lovely little accessories. They're all going a gloss black. So yeah. What else have I done? Let's see. Well, lighting sucks. I'll show you that later. Got the handle installed. Got the little taillight housing. Lots of little things. Found out this hinge. It's jacked up. So, gonna replace that. Yeah, just lots of little odds and ends. Started getting this installed. Huge pain in the ass. My hell. That's it for that. Be back with the next update. So, another small little update. Painted that. That was exciting. Now that you can kind of see them, I have the little grill thingies, whatever, installed. I've got the whole pull, or hood pull tube ran through. I had this installed wrong, so I now have the rubber piece that it needs here, and it's run through the hole, but I did not reinstall it here all the way because I've got a little wobble on the bearing, it seems, so I'm going to end up taking the dust cap off, tighten it down just a little. Yeah, I'm hoping that's good enough because they're new bearings. I haven't done any driving, so since there's a wobble, it means that I just probably didn't tighten them enough without over tightening. Got the trim installed. Looks like crap because it's all dusty. But yeah, previous owners had this stuff installed without the little rubber grommet things that go behind it. Go figure. Also, I added the rubber things on the hood. I've still got to paint the trim that goes there. I've got the handle loosely bolted. Well, it doesn't feel very loose, but yeah, whatever. It did not really. Well, you can kind of see it in the light, but the little striker thingy, whatever. I think I might have to tighten it a little. But anyway, got that. So just gotta get the hood stuff installed. I'm currently gonna change my focus from everything to I'm gonna try and just do all the things that are required or beneficial when the car is up in the air. So with that, I'm gonna install the ducting from there to the body. Going to get the running boards installed. There may be some zip tying involved because they don't appear to. The running boards, I don't know where they were bought from, but the holes mostly line up except for the back one. It's a tighter fit, but then there's some gap between the running board and the fender in the front and the rear, and the holes don't quite line up, so there might be some zip tying on the bolt holes. Anyway, yeah, there's a lot of things, and I'm trying to go more just quick little status updates right now because I'm all over the place. So one video of me doing a lot of little shit is gonna be boring as hell. Anyway, we'll be back. So for this video, I think I'll just stop here. This is gonna be more of just a progress video because I'm all over the place. Went to install the horn, found out, yeah, it's borked. It's missing one of the outlets, or the plug or spade. Not sure if you can see it. Just got a generic one from AutoZone. That should serve the purpose fine. Got wiring in, most of it anyway. Got the headlights, the turn signals, everything wired up. The only thing I have to figure out is it appears like I did not run the harness far enough in for slack. So I've got at least 2 wires that appear to have some length restrictions. There we go. These 2. They're supposed to go over here. If I do that and somehow get them on there, I've got a problem with the harness here getting hit by this. So I'm either going to have to extend these wires or see if I can somehow yank it just to get a little more space, because when this closes, it pulls that, and that's bad. What else do we got here? Oh, as I almost fall. Got the center caps and wheels on, all painted. Got running boards on. I believe this car's front and rear fender on this side are not, they're either just really mangled or they're not the right year. Because like this fender has a bolt hole here for the running board, but the running board has a bolt hole further up. You know, and yeah, even if I bend or whatever, it's not lining up. This side, you know, could kind of make it work. Whoops. But there's all that space, which just doesn't make sense. Now, over here, everything is nice and snug. I don't think the bolt hole's lined up, but at least it fits well, so I'm not worried about that. Yeah, so should have headlights on the way. Yeah, I've still got more of the rubber to actually install. I just kind of didn't feel like messing with it. So yeah, here's that. Got the handle painted, trim painted, and emblem. Like, they're all painted, installed, ready to go. Yeah, just a whole lot of little shit. So that's why I'm like, this is just going to be progress updates, kind of, because I'm going to be all over the place trying to get this going. So yeah, if you found this informative or useful or even remotely liked it, let's see if I can not shake. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.